Hey there, Elle Studio friends. Today I am excited to introduce you to the May 2021 monthly kit and add-ons. First off, let's take a look at this amazing monthly kit. Alright, check out all of the beautiful colors that we have in the kit this month. I always go to the die cut pages first just so I can see what we have in store for us in terms of colorways. And there is a great one this month. The yellow, the red, the coral, and the fuchsia with navy and teal. And it looks like some neutrals. So really loving this. Let's take a look at the 4x6s. We have two here and one down at the bottom. I'm already loving that pattern. This is the first time I'm seeing this kit. I always wait to see it for the first time during my unboxing video. So I love that so much. That coral pattern is just beautiful. That is a definite statement pocket tag. This one is so fun. Hello, good times. This was awesome. Favorite and happy day, and a light fuchsia. And then a yellow with the days of the week. So great for journaling, that one. We've already seen the die cuts. There's circles, there's hearts, there's banners and labels. Take a look at these 3x4s. Loving the stars. Love this font. Oh, loving kindness. Favorites. Today is a to-do, ledger, stars, go, see, do. That's a really fun tag. Fuchsia, yellow, sunshines, a coral ledger, these really beautiful stripes, and that's sunset kind of colors. Really like these too. That's really fun. I could see myself putting stamped numbers in there. Best mom ever. I think I'm going to make that into a badge and put it on my shirt every day of the month of May. Sunshines. These tabs, really fun. Again, the warmer hues there. There's that pattern again in red and pink. And hearts. So lots of really amazing tags this month. Really excited about those, as well as the die cuts. This month, the May labels that coordinate with the kit have this really fun tab design in all of the beautiful colors in the kit. So I really love those. We also have, these are the Treasure This vellum stickers. So a great vellum sticker. Not a washi, but a vellum. Has a little bit of a sheen to it, so if you're going to write on it, I would say do so with a permanent marker or a slick marker. These are really fun. The patterns go along with what you'll find in the kit, and there's some words and phrases up here too. These are the yellow cardstock label stickers. You get 2 sheets with this, you guys. So look at all those awesome labels to play with. I love yellow, so these are going to get a lot of use in my stash. There's large ones, there's tiny ones, so many possibilities with these. Next up, we have a new Jane tile in the shop, the yellow Jane tile alphabet stickers, and I'm really pumped about this. If you guys have purchased Elle Studio kits and products before, you'll know that the yellow is a beautiful buttery yellow, and these do not disappoint. They're absolutely gorgeous. Keeping with the yellow, we have yellow Parker acetate alphabet stickers. So last month we had teal, and this month we had yellow. Look how beautiful those are. Let's move to the puffies. We have puffy banners and border stickers. So many different words and phrases, you guys, and so many different colors. Then you have these fun scalloped borders as well. This is going to be a really usable, fun set to have in your stash. We also have the Tiny Shapes and Dots puffy stickers. In the month of March, we had the cool tones, and now we have the warm ones. Look at all of those beautiful reds, yellows, corals, orange, all the way down to fuchsia. Okay, you guys, how excited are you about this? I am so excited. A new paper stack in the shop. It's called Good Times. Take a look at these awesome patterns. This one is all texture, fuchsia, black and white, stars, stripes, green stripes. Hello, green. Love it. Yellow sunshines, pink grid, a purple ledger, multicolored stripe. Aren't those colors just gorgeous? Red dot. There's that beautiful pattern again with a lot of texture. Teal chevron. There's those fun words that we had in the kit. And the navy blue stripe with the hearts and stars. Let's move on to the embellishments. Here we have the cork words. So we have relax, good times, play, outdoor fun, adventure, explore, and awesome. I really love cork, and I love how thin it is. It fits great in a pocket, and these words have a great font too that's like the Parker alphabet. Next up, we have the Happy Place wood veneer. This says, "This is my happy place," and then it has 3 hearts with it. We also have these wood veneer borders. So these are really great because you have sunshine, stars, hearts, you have 2 scallops and 2 banners as well. For our stamp this month, we have the Fun with Border stamp. How amazing is this? So you have tons of different border options here: stars, plus signs, treasure these special moments together, a scallop, suns, XO, and you can fill that in with a solid. You have the days of the week, favorite, so much fun, remember. You have a little journaling grid here. You have the dots, hearts, and then the dots with the line and the heart, the dot with the line and the star. Awesome stamp set this month, you guys. I'm really excited about this and all the possibilities that it will hold. Last but not least, this may be the most exciting thing this month. This is called the Knockout Words Metal Die. So you have these rectangular pieces with the words in the center. So you have awesome, moment, favorite, love you, hello, a star, and a heart. And with these, you can do so much with them. So it's going to look like a big label with the word cut out. You can do a shaker with these. Super easy, especially these would be awesome to be shakers. So I am excited about creating titles with these for sure. Thanks so much for joining me today as I unbox my Elle Studio May 2021 kit and add-ons. There are so many amazing products this month, you guys, so be sure to jump on these during reveal. And don't forget, if you love Elle Studio products, subscribers get perks like discounted products, bundled shipping for a 24-hour period, and just special things throughout the year, as well as free digitals and printables. So check that out in the link in my video notes, and don't forget to take advantage of the $9.99 kit cost today only. Have so much fun creating with your May 2021 Elle Studio kit and add-ons. Thanks friends, and happy creating.